everyone, this is Shanicino. Welcome to Mission Happiness, where I give you tips and strategies on how to live a happy, inspired, and meaningful life. Today is a very special day because it's New Year. I'm here with my siblings. Hi, Beth.
Hi.
Hi, Kyle. Kyle, hello. Abby, hi.
Hi!
Okay, so we're just having a Kalesa ride. Can you see? Okay, can you see the kabayo? The horse. Alright, so we're just having a Kalesa ride. Kalesa is a common mode of transportation in our province. So today is a very special day because it's New Year, and I'd like to give you 3 tips on how to make 2017 your best year ever. Tip number 1 is to write down all your blessings for 2016. By doing that, you will be reminded how blessed you are and how loved you are. And of course, when we focus on blessings, our blessings will grow. Tip number 2 is to write down your greatest lessons for 2016. So what are the greatest lessons that you learned for 2016 that you can bring to 2017? And the third is it's probably the most important. Write down your goals for 2017, and when you write down your goals, you have to be very specific. For example, if you want to be richer, you write down how much money do you want to see in your bank account or in your stocks portfolio by December 31, 2017. If you want, you may even write a check to yourself and write the amount that you wish to earn. Okay, so those are my 3 simple tips for you. And again, I'd like to greet you a happy New Year. May this new year bring you more love, joy, blessings, happiness, and all the good things that you deserve. Alright? And also today is a very special day because it's the feast day of the motherhood of Mary, and it's also the feast day of my mama. So I wish you the best for 2017. I believe that 2017 is going to be your best year ever. And if you want, you may write down your goals in the comments below. I'll read all your goals and I'll pray for them. Okay? So I wish you success and happiness from me and my siblings and the horse and Mang Orlando, our kachero. We wish you success and happiness. God bless!